Short on funds and you need to pay something soon? You can apply for a loan quick and easy. Just download the Zuki app on App Store or Google Play. Simply register, read, fully understand, and agree to the privacy policy and terms and conditions. Then type in your details and mobile number. Log in now. Choose the loan that's right for you. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Get personal loan to help fund your needs. Or Hulugan for easy, affordable installments. Turn your ORCR into extra funds with Car for Cash. If you need a motorcycle for quick errands, there's Motorcycle Loan. Once you've chosen a loan, upload an ID, then take a selfie. Submit all required documents. Congratulations! You can now pay or purchase anytime and anywhere with just a few taps. With Zuki from SB Finance, Tito, pwede!
Carol, yeah. Is this the station? Yeah. I have to get off here? Yeah. Oh, okay. Wow, everybody's going off. Is this the last station, Cheryl? Yeah. Okay. Well, that was really quick. Very, very quick. Wait, I don't know where I'm going. Can you guide me? Park Jeepney! Oh, this is EDSA, right? This is EDSA, yeah. I actually drove past here, or on this road. It goes all the way to Cubao and further. Well, we're now going to go over this overpass here, which is going to connect us to Isla Malls. I don't think I've ever been inside Isla Malls in Makati. Oh, and then go straight on the right. Cheryl, it's nice to meet you. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye. So to get to Isla Malls, apparently you go straight down here and then take a right, and I should be able to enter it. SM. Oh, we're in SM Isla. Wait, why is it SM? The ceiling on each of these floors seems to be really low. It's not usual for the ceilings to be this low in malls here in the Philippines. So I think we're leaving the SM Mall and going into Ayala. Happy holidays! We're in Ayala Malls now, yeah? Glorietta. So we're now in Glorietta, I believe. And there's directions over there telling me if you carry on going straight, you can actually get to the Greenbelt Mall. This is all rather new to me. Just in case you weren't satisfied with the amount of malls in BGC, you can hop on a BGC bus and get here within 10 to 15 minutes, where there's plenty more malls to shop at. Oh, massage chairs. Yeah. These massage chairs look exactly the same as the ones in Thailand when I was in Central Westgate. They've got the arm pads there, the shoulder pads here, the legs. I think we've come to the mall's atrium, and it's a very big open space with quite a few paintings on display. Okay, so having spoken to someone, they tell me you can actually get from Isla Malls to Landmark, and then from there you can cross through Landmark and go over the elevated walkway to get to Greenbelt Mall. And I believe that elevated walkway is the one that runs directly over Isla Avenue. Okay, never mind. 1, 2, 3. What's 25?
Starbucks. This is Starbucks. Are you willing to stay for 45 minutes?
45 minutes to do what?
Because we're giving free medical insurance.
Time is scarce.
Like this.
Okay, alright. Take care, see you. Bye-bye. I feel like I'm doing something similar to what I did in Bangkok, which was the shopping mile, which I featured a couple videos back. This is almost something very similar, the way everything is interconnected. I didn't know it was this well interconnected either. This is my first time being here at the Landmark, and it's a pretty open style floor here. Well, I'm looking for the elevated walkway to cross over to Greenbelt, and I think I've just stumbled across it. I think it's that over there. So we had it, folks. Mission success. We started off in BGC. I could have actually started this video in Uptown and gotten all the way here, directly where I am, above Ayala Avenue, for only 13 pesos. And I swear, the whole journey from BGC to Makati has been so smooth. Really smooth. Couldn't have asked for a better experience. from a public transportation system. And I'm not even exaggerating it. And I reckon a lot of people who live in BGC or in Makati don't know about the BGC bus. I didn't know about it up until today, where I actually tried it out for the first time. It almost feels as though now Makati is literally at my doorstep. It just feels really close now. Whereas before it used to feel really far, having to wait for a grab taxi or to get a joy ride. Comment. They only have them.
Come on. I wanna treat you like a queen. I wanna love you tonight. Sexy lady with the pretty brown eyes. Let me know if you're down to ride. Come on.
I spend a lot on these movies, I'm not gonna lie. But the thing is, I like the convenience of being able to park in there and not having to worry. Exactly. And I'm not walking around more with a scooter. Yeah, that's why I kind of like use the service. Okay?
Come on.
The only thing is,
There's something I've got to say.
So it looks like where I got off when I came to Makati is the same location that I need to come to catch the bus back to BGC. Thank you. Okay, I've made it to Uptown. This is it. Just like that, we're back in BGC. I mean, it wasn't that straightforward because there was a lot of traffic on the way back here. I think the ride time took about 30 to 40 minutes to get from A to B. But on a non-busy day or when it's not rush hour as early when I went to Makati, it takes around about 10 to 15 minutes. But overall, that service is brilliant and I'll be using it a lot more now that I know of it and I know how to use it. Okay folks, while I wait for my pickup coffee to be prepared, I'm going to wrap up today's video here where I usually start my videos. But anyway, if you enjoyed today's video of the BGC bus ride tour, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching guys, take care, and bye for now.
Welcome to the chimney! Welcome to the beach! You don't have to go to the supermarket. It's just right there.
Supermarket. Banana is growing into your mouth in the Philippines. Is that not paradise?
We're really showing them super local Filipinsa. That's awesome. So we'll be checking out the rice fields, local house, how they're drying it, and we really want to mix this trip so they can stay in a really nice villa in Carvita. We're also showing them the true Philippines, all parts of the country. Now we're walking through some homes.